here and watch. This role play is about substances that we shouldn't use and actions we shouldn't do. Our role play teaches us that our actions have consequences, good or bad, direct or indirect. We've all done things wrong, am I right? We're human. We have moments where it feels right, but regretted moments later. We have moments where we could have done something to fix it and not let it slip away until it's too late. Well, this roleplay shows that. And all of that. So, what are we waiting for? Now presenting Fix It Before It Goes by Mama 8 Productions. Mama Cecil is fixing the uniforms of Gab and Hangit. Before they leave, both kids sneak their bags over their shoulders.
Oh, Beth. Alright, you two. Uniforms are nice and neat. Careful on the way to school, okay?
Yes, Mama. Bye.
Bye, Mama Cecil. Love you.
If it isn't our mama,
Hi, Mika. Hi, Angelo.
We just want to get to class. Please just move and continue our day.
Listen here, you little.
excuse me, you little nobodies do not need to tell us what to do. Ever.
You think you can do that? Think again.
Seriously, she's about to cry already. Come on, guys.
Let me go, Angela.
Nah, fake bravado aside. You know you're nothing just like your sister.
Gab, I can't breathe.
Oh no, she's dying. Should we call someone, Mika?
What? Cat got your tongue? Or is it your broken little lungs?
Let go of me.
Don't touch my sister like that.
Angge, you scared me there. Always have your hair near you. Like, at least in your pocket.
Good morning, Ma'am Castro.
5 minutes late. What's your reason?
Mom, it's because of you.
Mom, something happened on the way here. A health emergency.
Angge, sana sinabi mo na.
Huh? Okay, take your seats already. But Gab, you look shaken and pale.
It's nothing, Ma'am Castro.
If it's nothing, then why do you look like you've seen a storm? I can see it in your eyes. Take your seats, both of you. Class, listen carefully. There will always be people who try to push you down, intimidate you, or make you feel small. But giving in to fear, or trying to escape it in the wrong ways, won't solve anything. True strength isn't about fighting back with anger. It's about making choices that protect you, that keep your mind and body safe. Ano ba yun? Class! Ang ingay niyo na naman.
Sorry po, ma'am. May naabot lang naman. Kamusta book mo, Angge?
Di ba, Gab? Huwag ka magiging KJ.
Magsitigil! Class dismissed.
So, these two are trying to leave without saying goodbye?
Remember what you did, Gab? Pushing my sister? And you, Angge, acting always just for us to feel bad? Haha.
We just want to go home, please.
Or what? You and your brother will run away again and scare nobody's more? You're home. Don't even ask how our day was.
Worst day ever.
What? What happened? Who upset my precious?
Tell me, who is it? I'll talk to the school if I have to.
It's those two again, Gab and Angge.
Their presence is so annoying. And Gab even came to school looking like a mess. While Angge, she pulled another asthma act.
Angge, isn't she the one who fakes asthma attacks?
She does have asthma, but doesn't mean she should be treated so gently and fragile.
Mita, sweetheart, don't let girls like Angge bother you. Look at you, confident and classy. You walk into a room and people actually look and pay attention to you. Angge walks in and people barely notice, unless she's coughing again.
You, Angelo, have you put Gab in his place?
Yes, Dad, of course. He just got away today because of Angge.
Put him in his place. Make him know who you are. Don't hold back.
Tito Romel sees them and calls Gab.
You alright?
Yeah,
Next time they talk to you like that and I'm not around, then call me, okay?
Uy, Gab, halika. Kamusta ka naman?
Tito, okay lang naman po. Kayo?
Okay na, okay. Oo, okay. Andiyan ka pala. Ano, okay ka lang ba?
magandang araw po, Tito. Okay naman po.
Mabuti.
Angge, mas mabuti siguro na muna ka na sa akin. Umuwi. Kaya mo ba?
Yeah, kaya ko to. Paalam, Tito.
Gab, huwag ka sa akin magsisinungaling. Halata sa boses mo. Anong nangyayari?
Wala po, Tito.
Gab,
Hindi ko po alam paano masusunod. Pero tuwing pumapasok ko kami, lagi na lang kami ng pamagigit. Yung dalawang kakaso namin at yung mga kaibigan nila. Hindi ko alam bakit o kung rason man sa mga ginawa nila sa amin. Pero sa totoo, naawa ko kay Angge. Kung ako away nila, okay lang. Pero dinadamay pa nila si Angge na walang ginawa o ataso sa kanila.
eh ikaw, may chance ka ba?
Wala po.
Oo, eh wala naman pala eh. Ba't mo na ipagtanggol sa iyo?
Wala kami laban doon eh.
At bakit mo naman yun sa akin?
Tito, sino ba ang nailaban sa mga estudyante na kilala, matalino, mayaman?
Pero kasi, mayaman na sila, matalino, pinala. Pero aanin naman ngayon kung wala silang ugali.
Hindi ko talaga alam dito eh. Nakakawalang gana ng laso.
Umaban ka. Wala nang magawa yung mga yan. Bilib ako sa'yo. Ang gagawin mo lang ay mag-aral, kumain, matulog. Yan ang prioridad mo.
Kaya ko ba yan?
Ayaw mo yan. Ano gusto mong gawin? Nag-drugs ka?
Dito naman. Hindi ba? Sige lang po. Tito, salamat po ulit.
Welcome.
Tito, Tito,
Oo, bakit?
Tito, yung nasabi mo sa akin kanina.
Yun.
Drugs.
Bakit? Gusto mo? Halika. Ako. Oo, alam mo, paano gumamit?
Hindi po eh.
Ganito, buksan mo tapos inhale ka lang. Okay? Bawal na lang ang problema mo yan.
Uwi na po ako dito.
As Anke walked home, she arrives. She enters and quietly closes the door behind her. The living room smells full of smoke.
Mama,
You're home already? Asan yung kapatid mo?
Mama, the smoke, I can't breathe.
Oh, come on. Don't start this little asthma act again. You're fine.
No, Mama, my asthma.
Honestly, you act like everything is the end of the world. I'm
Angge, you go to school alone today.
Kuya? Ha? Bakit?
May pupuntahan lang ako. Don't ask.
Stop, please.
Angge? Angge! Wala na ang puso. Tumawag kayo ng ambulansya. Ngayon din. Bilis! Bilis!
What happened with Angge? These are the things that you shouldn't be doing. You shouldn't chit-chat with people around you. Instead, you should actually help.
I'm sorry. We did everything we could. But Angge didn't survive the attack.
No! Angge! Anak ko!
This is my fault. I was over there. I left her. Teacher Romel, he'll know what to do.
Romeo Santos, you are under arrest for illegal drugs.
I'm sorry, Ido. I don't do into this.
Shaking, crying, and lost. A familiar voice calls.
Go, what happened to you? Everything is my fault. Angge has gone. Tito got arrested. Ma hates me. I used drugs, Mikoy. I ruined everything.
You're not a bad person, Bob. You made mistakes, but you can fix them. I'm here. I'm not leaving you, bro. Ma, Dad needs help. Real help. He's not okay.
Then we help him. No child should go through this alone.
Gab was about to get pulled onto the dark side. Thankfully, Mom Castro was there to help him.
Losing Angge is painful, but you still have each other. And you can still change. Let me help both of you.
Anak, I'm sorry. I should have been better. We will heal together.
Mama Cecil and Mom Castro entered rehab center.
Gab, I'm so sorry for everything. I'm trying to change now.
I forgive you, Tito. I'm trying to change too.
Good. Let's all start again.
Let us welcome the characters who brought this story to life one step at a time. First on the runway, introducing Gab, Angge, Mama Cecil, and Tito Romiel. Gab, the older brother of Angge, carrying the weight of expectation, pressured by life, and led down the dark path of drugs. Angge, the little sister of Gab, fragile yet brave, living with asthma and holding on to hope even when the world feels heavy. Mama Cecil, the mother of Gab and Angge, a woman shaped by hardships, a smoker, trying to survive while holding her family together. Tito Romiel, the Tito of Gab and Angge, a reflection of addiction, lost in drugs and liquids he's drowned in, and a reminder of how choices can echo through a family. The tension shifted. A sense of the family makes everyone buzz. Do you guys hear that? Now welcoming the Dela Cruz family! First, we have... First, we have Nika Dela Cruz, the campus queen, Carlos, the father of Mika and Angelo, a strong presence. The protective husband of Ella, the foundation of the De La Cruz family. Standing tall, standing through it all. The tension is real. Bow down to the De La Cruz family. Joke. We need something or someone in our life to guide us, right? Welcome, Ma'am Castro and Mikoy. Ma'am Castro, the lovely teacher that teaches the class. Strength is the way to endure everything. The woman with the voice of courage. Mikoy, the son of Ma'am Castro, the friend that guides God towards life. The friend that pushes God to stay vocal. Next on the runway, friend 1, 2, and Freya. Friend 1, a background character, standing beside Mika, echoing her words, blending into the shadows of her influence. Friend 2, a character, walking with Angelo, backing him up and always present. Freya, an outsider, a mean girl with a little backstory, short attitude, and just enough presence to stir the tension. But wait, that isn't all. Let's all welcome the heroes. Ricardo, a figure of authority, the one who ends the chaos and places the handcuffs on Tito Rafael, bringing consequences to the stage. Dr. Lim, the bearer of truth, the one who breaks the silence and delivers the news that changes everything. Once again, thank you for watching our play. These characters remind us that every story has them. So thank you for watching. Fix it before it goes. Bye!
Okay, sige, thank you.